Hi, and welcome back to another Joy of Painting. Today, we're going to be painting a happy little winter scene, so grab your paints and come along and join me. So first, we're going to start by grabbing some black, just a little bit of blue. Get it on your brush here, and just put it on in the sky. I think there's going to be a little water in here, so let's go put that in. Same color we used for the sky. Now, we're just going to put some blue and some black, and let's put some clouds in the sky. And smooth them out. Get a good old dark color on the palette, and how about right here we put one, just goes up anywhere you want. Grab some white paint, and we're just going to go wherever we want, put in some snow. And then we're gonna grab some white, some blue, get that shadow color. And let's put it right here. And now it's time for a second happy little mountain. So let's start right on top of this one. Go way up. Maybe 2 little peaks, 3 little peaks. Oh yeah, that looks very nice. How about right here, we're just gonna slap in some snow. Now, let's get some of our shadow color. Put in some shadows on this mountain. Some happy little trees live on these mountains. Let's just start over here and tap them in right here. Some snow lives right over here, so let's grab some white and just put it right in. Put some bushes in over here. Let's grab some more, just blue or whatever you want. Could be green for all I care. Oh geez. And now that I have a lot of paint on my face, we're gonna finish the video. So, I'd like to wish you all happy painting and God bless.